Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's another beautiful day with the sun shining very brightly. Today I'm gonna show you all my update on Albino Koi Guppy breeding project. It's already been 3 weeks since I started this project. I was feeding my Albino Koi baby guppies. As you can see, they are very healthy and growing quickly. Last week, I found that something was wrong with my Santa Claus guppy. So, I removed it from my fish tank and placed it in a small tub to monitor it properly. Next day, I was surprised. She gave birth to many babies. But, something happened that I was struck by a heartbreaking incident. I found that my mother guppy was dead while I was outside. I also found that one of my Albino Koi breeder was dead. But there is some good news too. 1 week earlier, I brought this plastic tub and fill it with some water. After filling it, I added some rock salt. I brought these 2 pair of platinum Dumbo Air guppy. As you can see, one of my viewers requested me to bring a project on it. Then I left it to acclimate for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I released them in the tub. They seem happy in their new home. Then, I decided to feed some of the live Daphnia. So this much for today. Thank you for watching and see you all next week.